What's going on, guys? MixedSid here, back again for another summer themed cocktail. And like I said, I liked it that much from our last video. I love the shot that much. I want to do the cocktail version of it. So it is the Service Club cocktail this time, as we will make the cocktail version of it. So let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do, guys, is get your tin shaker and put in 45 ice cubes. So get your jigger, and now let's put the ingredients into the shaker. The best thing what we're going to do is double the size from the shot version of it. So we're going to put in 60 ml or 2 ounces of blue Curacao. So next into the tin is 15 ml or half an ounce of citric acid dilution or lemon juice if you wish to use that. And the next ingredient into the tin is 15 ml or half an ounce of coconut rum. I'm using the Cocoa Canoe. Now put your lid on. Give it a nice hard shake, 8 to 10 seconds, get nice and chill. What you want to do now, guys, is get a martini glass and strain into it. So as you can see, guys, we've got a very nice dark blue colour, absolutely perfect. It is beautiful. So the final thing to do now, guys, is to garnish it with a blue umbrella. Surfs up. There we go, guys. One Service Club cocktail version. Doesn't it look fantastic? So that's another summer themed cocktail. How does it taste? Absolutely beautiful. It's a really nice summer themed drink, this. I can't recommend it highly enough. I just liked it that much from the shot version. I had to make this cocktail version of it. For me, the coconut rum just makes this drink. It's absolutely perfect. It's beautiful. But it's a nice dark vivid blue colour. It's got to say nice tasting with the coconut rum, and then with the citric acid dilution, it's not too overpowering. It's got to say it's not tarty at all. Just a perfect balance. Well, I can't rate that highly enough. It's got to say, for me, I'd probably give it 8.5 out of 10. It's got to say it's close to a 9, but it's not quite there. It's got to say, but 8.5 out of 10. It's beautiful. It's nice to look at. It's a nice summer themed drink. You can certainly drink this on the beach as well. And this, guys, is a Service Club cocktail. What do you think of it? Would you drink this cocktail, or would you still do the shot version of it? Do let me know in the comments below, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to MixedSid, as I'm on the road to 2k. So we're now on 1.5k, so thank you for all your support, as it's been a fantastic 2022 so far. So I do appreciate all your support so far on the MixedSid channel. So have a nice day, and I will see you guys for the Barbados surprise. Cheers.